on a Birchbox in a while. I apologize for that. To be honest, I've been dealing with a lot of anxiety issues and stuff. I've actually just started meds for it about a month or two ago. So I thought while I'm on basically lockdown from the coronavirus stuff, I would work on filming some videos for you guys. I've already cleaned my whole house, so this and baking are all I have left to do currently since I cannot go anywhere. So anyways, let's see what I got in my Birchbox. So this is what it looks like. They've got like pinks and blues, oranges, stuff like that. So then obviously you have your little sheet telling you what things are. So in this box, I'm just going to try and go in order. We have, if I can find it, we have the 27 Rose Years Fight Grind Deep and Fresh Gel Cleanser. The full size is $39. This foaming cleanser removes makeup and deep cleans your skin without making it tight and dry. Alpha hydroxy acids gently exfoliate, leaving your complexion smoother than before. So I definitely need something like this. Where I had my nose pierced, my nose is like very, very dry because I couldn't put anything on it other than cleaning it with antibacterial soap and salt spray. So I'm currently able to put things on it again, so I'm trying to get it to not be so dried out. So this will be a huge help, so I'm excited about that. The next thing I have in here is the Alterna Anti-Aging Priming Leave-In Conditioner. The full size is $32. This detangling leave-in conditioner's caviar extract-based formula restores moisture, elasticity, and shine to dry, fine, or damaged hair, cutting through damp hair and good. So I probably need to start using something like this. I probably also need to cut my hair. I have a really bad tendency to let my hair go to the point that it has a lot of split ends and not get it cut. So I need to do that. And I also need to use something to help with dryness, because I think I overwash my hair. I wash my hair daily and I don't feel like it's clean if I don't. And I need to work on that because I think it dries my hair out. But anyways, this will be cool to try. The next thing that I have in here, I'm just going to show you these two together. It's the Davine Love Smoothing Shampoo for coarse frizzy hair and the conditioner for coarse frizzy hair. It's infused with olive oil extract and nourishing fatty acids in the conditioner, detangles and softens. I've shown this one before, I've used it before, I do like it. I hate conditioner samples from Birchbox if you guys haven't seen my other videos, because where my hair is so long, this might get me 3 washes. So I really don't feel like I get to properly test them. But from what I remember, I did like what I got to use of it. So yeah, I definitely will use that. The next thing in here is the Floss Beauty, my new favorite lip gloss, YUL, or Y-U-L. The full size is $16. This non-glittery, non-sticky clear gloss is hydrating, long-lasting, and super comfortable to wear. Use it alone and over another lip color for added shine. So the non-sticky part of the lip gloss interests me because I hate how sticky lip gloss usually is. I'm not going to put it on right now, but it seems kind of pinky. We'll see if it comes off that way or if it comes off clear. But I'm interested to test out the stickiness. As you guys know, I do reviews on things on my blog, or if you don't know, I do reviews on things on my blog. So I think I have that linked, but I will definitely make sure it's linked below. The last thing in here is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek Rendezvous. Full size is $22. This multitasking lip and cheek balm blends seamlessly to deliver a natural pink tint while moisturizing skin with safflower extract. So this looks super pretty. I definitely will use this on my lips. I'm not sure about my cheeks. You guys know I don't like super pinky things, and this looks super pink. But it will definitely be something I use on my lips. I will try and try it on my cheeks for you guys, but I don't know how much I'll actually use it. So yeah, that is everything in my box. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!